Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass family link protection on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 device. To do this, open Settings application, scroll down, choose Google, then choose Manage your Google account. Now choose Get Started and choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down and just delete your Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. Now enter your password. Password from Google account and choose Next. Now choose Yeah. Wait a while. Scroll down, choose I understand, scroll down and choose yes and yes, and choose delete account. Wait a while and cool, now all applications are unblocked. As you can see, our application are installing. Wait a while, this is Xiaomi. Okay, all applications are unlocked on this device. And now we need to recover our Google account. To do this, open Play Store, choose Sign In, and log in to your Google account. Now you will see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. Choose Next and enter your password. Choose Next, wait a while, something went wrong. Now you need to log in into your Google account again. Enter your email. And now we not see message that account was deleted, and now you need to simply enter your password. Choose Next. I agree. Accept. And open Play Store. Cool, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, comment this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.